Good day. In this video, I'll show you how to insert a design fire into the FireFlow Studio's modeling environment using the Fire Builder wizard. So to access this space, or to access this feature, you go to Model, Fire Builder, and from here, you can essentially pick a preloaded reaction. You can select your fire growth rate. You can also put in a custom fire growth rate. You can set your peak HRR. I'm just going to say 5 megawatt. Hold it at the peak for 1500 seconds, and let's just decay over 0. So we can then set the intensity. I'm going to say, let's put it as 1000 so that it's a 5 square meter fire. It'll automatically pick up your mesh cells if you already have the geometry meshed. If not, you can set this and it will create a mesh. You can then set the orientation via a wall, ceiling, or floor. And a really cool feature here is that you don't have to guess where the fire goes. You can select it from the actual model. So here, you'll just click on the center over there. That's where I want my fire. And it automatically picks up where the XY coordinate is. You can then set the Y as you wish. So I'm going to say 0.25 as my mesh is a 0.125 meter mesh. And you can set your pad thickness. I'm going to say 0.25. So if you've watched the introduction video, you'll know that this software models both gas phase and solid phase. So if you want to model the solid phase side of things, you need to record the adiabatic surface temperatures along boundaries. So if I say create fire, it has created our burner surface right where we wanted it. And to show you what that does, it automatically creates your reaction. It automatically creates your fire obstruction. It automatically sets the surface which you selected as a burner surface. It creates the burner surface entry, and it also creates the fire ramp. Now, another way that you can then validate your input is by going to Model, and then you go to flame resolution, and here it'll show you your D-star calculation and whether or not it is a reasonable value. In this case, it's 14.6. It's within the acceptable or the usual acceptable range, and it is, I'd say, fairly fine. But yeah, it would tell you here whether it's good, coarse, or fine, etc. That's just another way that this software makes workflow more efficient and quick. Again, this is geared for fire safety professionals, consultants, engineers, and it's aiming to make your commercial modeling and post-processing as fast and painless as possible to speed up the way you do things. I hope you enjoyed that and have fun. Enjoy.